But in the meantime, in between time, because it is only 10 o'clock, I guess I'll talk about my trip so far. I really haven't had any videos or anything up, so there will be videos to come, all of that, such and such. But the reception out here is like really bad. So when I get like any kind of reception, I just put videos up as it goes along. So, anywho, I don't know. I'll describe my hold on, let me get comfortable. There we go. I'll describe my trip so far. As she hits the joint. My trip been awesome so far. I can't even lie to you. Like, hubby's been wonderful. Like, I think what I enjoy most is just waking up to him and like getting to see him be a goofball. Like, I get to see him like that. But, face to face is always better. But, you know, love is love. So, what are you gonna do? Let me take these off. Because I feel like all the light in the world is like being off of my glasses. Anywho, it's been great. And to kick it with him and his family, and like to see how like everybody and their personality is one by one. Um, I think it's awesome. Getting to know his family getting to know me, and just oh, don't mind my rocking. I rock because it soothes me. So rock a bye, baby. Anyway, I think it's awesome. I think they're getting to know me as a person, and I'm getting to know them as just family, and just being accepted into the family. It feels good. It feels like love continuously, you know what I mean? And getting to kick it with his mom is like, I know y'all looking at me like, kick it with his mom. No, kick it with his mom. She's, she be kicking it. She can hang, for real, for real. And I'll ask her if I can put up her video that I got of her just chilling and dancing. And I'll ask her before I put it up because I want to be respectful. But yeah, she's real cool and always smiling. Don't get her pissed off though. And I heard her snap off on a couple people. So, but overall, love mom. Mom is awesome. She she always keep me laughing. She was like, she told me before she left for work, she said, I would stay here and make sure, the meal is good and taken care of. She was like, but, I gotta go. And I was like, I understand. Like, you a boss. You literally, holding down your own, you know, business. I respect that because I want to be a business owner one day soon. So I just, looking, chilling, observing, loving this weather, man. It's so fucking nice out here. Y'all see that? Man, it's beautiful. But I'm just chilling. Oh my god. But you know what is disrespectful as a motherfucker out here? Uh these motherfucking bugs. Oh my god. Like the mosquitoes is crazy out here, you feel me? Like I got so many fucking bites and shit. And you know I'm sensitive, skin sensitive, so I'm over here bruising up and bumping up and shit is out of control. But it's these motherfucking mosquitoes and shit. And they got biting ants. Like, stand too long on a hill and a motherfucking ant, group of ants will bite the shit out you. Then they got these ants called duck ants. They call them duck ants because they bite you. Them motherfuckers is vicious out here, feel me? Like, dangerous as a motherfucker. So, watch out for them motherfucking duck ants. Your ass will be red bumps everywhere. Trust me. I ain't know about the motherfucking ants till her be showing me and shit. Excuse me. Just rocking. Chilling. Finna go start washing these clothes. Prepping for this meal. I already got the chicken thawing, you feel me? Fresh chicken. Hey. I might record that. I'm not gonna lie. So, stay tuned. Keep rocking with me.